What's up everyone, Simulator Shane here. Today I want to just quickly show you the Cyclic. I installed it into the cockpit and it's fully functional now. So you can see there's the base and then there's the sensors that I attached, and you can sort of see them in there rotating the magnet around, and then there's the wires going down to the flight control. I've just got a small screen here just to sort of do a quick test, and currently I'm working the pedals with the joystick and the collective with this little knob right here. So the pedals and the collective are done with my left hand. The pedals in the helicopter aren't set up yet. So just the Cyclic's working right now, and I've also got the carpet and the seats installed so I can sit in the cockpit and do a quick test. So I'll show you the Cyclic working, and then as I install pieces into the cockpit I'll do updates like this and you'll see it come together. So lifting the collective with my left hand, keeping it straight with the pedals also with my left hand, I can just pick it up and you can see the Cyclic there. The small inputs that I'm making are now having an effect on the simulation. So right now I'm in the hover, so I'm just making tiny corrections to keep it stable, and I can rotate around with my left hand on the joystick. Obviously that'll be done with the pedals once they're hooked up, but you can see that tiny movements in the Cyclic just to keep it stable in the hover. Very realistic. And if I want to go to forward flight, I just push forward on the Cyclic, lift the collective with my left hand, and we get some forward speed. Pull back with the Cyclic, and up we go. So it's a very primitive test, but it proves something very important, which is the main flight control, the Cyclic here. Now that this is functional, I can start sort of building the rest of the sim around this main piece, because it's sort of the heart of the simulator. It's right in the middle there. And the great thing about the Robinson Cyclic is once you have one Cyclic working, you have both Cyclics working. So I took someone for a flight the other day, and when I put it in the cockpit, and you can just hand them controls like that. Obviously, just like the real aircraft, this does nothing. All the control is this main bar moving. So I'll circle back around here to the right, and we'll see if we can bring it back into a hover. I gotta say, it's incredibly fun, even just with the Cyclic working. I can't wait until all the controls are hooked up. It's gonna be incredible. Alright, lowering the collective now, pulling back on the Cyclic, keeping it straight with the pedals with my left hand. Almost into a hover. There we are. Check forward on the Cyclic. There we are in a hover. Really fun. Really fun. So to touch down, we just keep it stable with the Cyclic, keep it straight with the pedals, and lower the collective. There we are. Pretty cool. So that's the Cyclic, fully functional, installed in the cockpit. Now I can start installing everything else. See you later.